The stock market is absolutely exploding today, and here's why. What is going on, guys? Kyle of Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Excuse my voice, I'm a little bit sick today, so bear with me as far as my nasally condition goes, but we have a lot to talk about in the overall markets today, guys. Interesting movement going on with AMC Entertainment, a host of other big movers in the overall market, and of course, some technical analysis for you guys on future breakouts that could be happening very soon. Before we get into all that, though, I really want to recommend you guys join our free, literally completely free Discord with the first link down in the description below. When you guys join our Discord, not only do you get access to an amazing community of like-minded individuals, but you also can go ahead and get joined up with our buy and sell alerts. As you can see here in the join us tab right here, guys, you can join up and of course get our daily buy and sell alerts that we post on various options, and of course what we post in there as well. Our premium members love it and they're really liking it. You also can access to a free trial that literally gives you 7 days of free premium membership before you would ever have to pay a dime, and you can kind of get access to that overall membership before and see if you like it, see if you don't, and obviously make a decision after that. But first link down in the description below. Make sure to join if you guys haven't already. Amazing community that we're building on there, and I really want you guys, of course, to be a part of it. Now, let's talk stocks. AMC up over 5% just today on the day. If we look, we can actually see that over the last week, they're up over 21% in overall gains. And as you can see, Robinhood obviously corroborates this when we look and see they're up over 25% here just in the past week, not even counting today's trading session, obviously with the 21%. But in general, a lot of people are asking questions. Why is this happening? We've seen a lot of big movement with AMC as of late, especially with, of course, the meme stock nature of this overall stock. But the question remains is, can this overall rally continue? This is a very similar chart that we've seen in a variety of other names in the overall market over the last couple of weeks. But the problem is when you really kind of zoom out and see where we've been. Over the last year, AMC down over 35% as far as gains go, and over the last 5 years, not doing too well either. The overall recession has hit most of the stock market this way, but specifically these types of speculative investments like AMC, for instance, not doing too well on the long-term things. This is why I'm not a long-term investor in AMC, and this is why I typically only go and trade options on it, right? I like to use the option chains and figure out, of course, what I'm trading in there as well. Again, we alert all different types of these plays in the Discord, guys. If you guys want to get access to what we're trading as far as what we're doing with options in these different stocks, hit that first link down in the description below and get signed up with our premium. But in general, let's talk a little bit more about the wider market, right? The wider market today, or just the overall stock market, has some big movers. We have Tyson Foods, PayPal, Children's Place, and many more. So Tyson's Food, shares of the food processing giant, has suffered a 6% drop in pre-market trading after the company reported weaker than expected results for its first quarter. Why is this a big deal? Well, 6% obviously is no small number. We can actually go ahead and pull that exact ticker up. I didn't get a chance to see the ticker there real quickly. Tyson Foods. I don't think they actually have the ticker listed, unfortunately, here. Oh, they do. Okay, awesome. TSN. So TSN, in my opinion, might be a potential arbitrage play here if we can find some weakness. So this is what we saw as the market opened up, a huge drop off, and now we are trading well below all of the MA lines. This is a bearish stock right now, guys, at least on the intraday. If we look and kind of zoom out a little bit, maybe to the weekly chart, we can still see a lot of bearish momentum. And even if we go out to the monthly chart, or so I can pull it right there, very bearish momentum. I'm trading puts on this exclusively, not looking to buy calls anytime soon, especially with this momentum that we're seeing right there. Next thing, PayPal. So shares of payment fell about 2.6% in pre-market. We can actually go ahead and pull PayPal up and see how they're doing actually in the middle of the market session. As you can see here, not too much better either way on the monthly, weekly, could be better, but still huge drop off from those previous trading sessions. And if we go into the 15-minute chart, where I usually like to live and kind of trade most of my stocks from, again, very bearish momentum here as well. Overall, markets are down in general across the board. One of the only stocks that really is doing still well is Tesla. And we actually talked about this. I talked about this in a video that I made literally yesterday. And this is why you guys got to hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't already subscribed. It's one of the best ways to keep up to date with all these videos that we make, especially because they're a timely manner, right? You want to not miss those videos and not miss out on the potential stock that I talk about out like Tesla, where we could see these huge gains here that, of course, were happening overnight and in general are doing very well in today's intraday trading session. Either way, guys, also, if you're wondering what brokerage I'm using right now, where I'm getting these charts from, this is on Webull. And if you guys hit that second link down in the description below, you guys can get a bunch of free stocks that are valued up to $30,000 or could be valued up to $30,000. Plus, it's an affiliate link, so it helps support the channel. And just in general, it's a great way to obviously get into an amazing brokerage like Webull. We use Webull on a daily basis for technical analysis and to actually trade a variety of different stocks as well. So if that sounds interesting, hit that second link down in the description below and get signed up with Webull. Other than that though, guys, a lot of movement in the overall markets today. Make sure to keep a close eye on some of these big movers. Very red today. A lot of put volume and action is going to be a big key for most of these big players. We're going to be watching it very closely and keeping you guys up to date. Let me know what you guys think about all this, but other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.